It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I'm like, what day is it? It's Tuesday. I'm so excited. I have here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles in the new Goose Creek Seaside Summer Collection. These are absolutely beautiful, and these are some of my favorite scents. So I'm just going to do an unboxing today. Thank you so much to Goose Creek for sending them, and then you know what's going to happen. Lenny and I are going to be doing a whole big deep dive into these. So the first one is Chocolate Dipped Banana, sweet banana, dipped chocolate, and caramel drizzle. Banana and chocolate. Woo! I'm getting banana. I'm getting chocolate. I'm getting both. I can't wait to burn that one. Okay, next up, Summer Veranda. This one is Summer Blooms, Fresh Ocean Air, and Dune Grass. Oh, I actually like this one. I like Dune Grass. Look at that. It's like a light ocean breeze, but it does have like a nice outdoor grassy scent. Not green grass, but like the kind of like dried grass you get like on a sand dune. Oh, pink lemonade, strawberry puree, juicy cherry, and chilled lemonade. Oh, this one's really good. I'm getting a ton of the strawberry puree in here. But that cherry, like, just brings it out. And there's a little bit of lemon. There's like a touch of lemon. That's actually really good. Pink lemonade. Okay. This is like the first time I've smelled these. Beach House. Summer apricot, coastal citrus, and beach grass. Oh, this one's really unique, you guys. It's weird. Have you ever gotten like fruit and outdoors like together? This is so weird. In a good way though. It's like I get the apricot, but then it switches to like the beach grass. So it's like this back and forth. It's like fruity. You know what? It's kind of like sitting at a picnic and you're like smelling like the fruit from the beach house, and then you get like a whiff from the outdoors. That's kind of interesting. What is this one? Oh, beachside blanket, soft cotton blanket, beach breeze, warm sand, and dreamy vanilla. I'm glad they added vanilla in here. The touch of vanilla makes this more of a creamy scent rather than like a laundry soapy scent, which is good. Because you know me, I don't really love those like, you know, laundry soapy scents. But with the vanilla in here, it almost smells like a beach towel out of the dryer. But with the vanilla note, it like tones it down a little bit. I actually like that one. That's pretty decent. Oh, blueberry funnel cake. This one's new. Sweet blueberry compote, powdered sugar, and fried funnel cake. Oh my God. Okay. Chocolate Dipped Banana, blueberry funnel cake. 2 of my favorites. It's blueberry, it's fried donut, it's sugar. What more could you want? I'm gonna have to spend some time with that one. Oh, sweet saltwater taffy. I've been avoiding taffy. Creamy strawberry, sugared lemon, whipped vanilla, and soft taffy. It pulls my teeth out. Oh my gosh, I love saltwater taffy. This actually does smell like a strawberry lemon saltwater taffy mix. I usually get O'Malley's here in Cleveland. They have the best saltwater taffy, but I can't eat it like I used to. Oh, I love saltwater taffy in the summer. At least I get it in a candle. Brown sugar churros is fried churros, brown sugar, cinnamon spice. This has got a little bit of a touch of late summer. This is like carnival, cinnamon, kind of going into that late summer county fair. But you can smell that friedness in here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, a fried pastry with a lot of brown sugar, a lot of cinnamon, and just a lot of spice, which is good. This one's good. Oh my gosh. These are delightful. What is this one? Oh, sand castles, orange flower, coconut sunscreen, and beach sands. Okay, this is like a light suntan lotion. This isn't like that like high density one. This is gentle. I actually kind of like this one. It's a very, very light, summery suntan lotion. Okay, last one. Oh, coconut caramel apple. Are you kidding me? Sweet apple, toasted coconut, and gooey caramel. I know I'm gonna like this one. There's like no doubt. Oh my gosh, it's so strong. Caramel, apple, coconut. Oh, this is really strong on the caramel. Oh, the apple's delicious. This is like fall. Like, okay, so like caramel, coconut caramel apple. There's brown sugar churros. These are giving off like those nice late summer fall vibes. This blueberry funnel cake is incredible. Pink lemonade is a perfect beverage. The beach house is beautiful. Like apricot. This is a nice, well-rounded collection for summer. It really is. Yeah, beach house is the one with the apricot in it. So, I will be showing these all to Lenny when he gets here this weekend. We're gonna do a whole. I'm gonna do a re-sniff. He's gonna do a first sniff. I can't wait to try these out. Anyway, thank you so much, Goose Creek. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.